Hello, actors, actresses, and our beloved director, Mrs. Hannigan. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a prop, specifically a fake brick, like this one right here. Okay, so today I'm going to show you the materials you need and how to make it, the different types of props and how they're usually used on set, as well as the benefits to self and society for this prop. Now, let's pipe in and go into our materials. The materials we will be needing are red paint, brown paint, something to stir the paint with, 3 different types of paintbrushes, a cup to hold the paint, and then some fluorofoam, as well as some scissors. Now let's go on to shooting the first scene, and we are going to be making the prop for that scene. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to take the fluorofoam and take a knife, and we are going to make indents in it and make different holes in it and all that type of stuff to just kind of make it your own and make different scratches, all that type of stuff in it. Okay. And then the next step you're gonna do is you are going to mix up your paint. So you're gonna want to take a lot more red paint. You're gonna pour it into your cup, and then you're going to grab a little bit of brown paint and you're gonna put that in your cup as well. And then you're gonna take your stirrer and you're gonna stir it around until it's the desired shade that you want. And be careful with the first step because you do want to make sure that you don't hurt yourself. Now the next step that you are going to do is you are going to take a paintbrush and you are going to paint all over the fluorofoam. And you're going to want to use different types of brushes so you can get within the holes and the little holes inside of so you don't see any green. Okay. Now that we're done with that scene, we are going to talk about the three different types of props. The first prop is going to be breakaway props. Then we're going to talk about hand props, and then finally costume props. So let's do breakaway props first. Most of these you are going to see they can break easily. They would be the ones that you could throw at a wall and it'll break instantly. And the main reason why they use these on sets are so then the actors don't get hurt and then so they don't have to clean up broken glass. A lot of different breakaway props are going to be mugs, cups, and even glass. Some of the glass are different types of breakaway stuff. So then they'll have rubber glass, which is like a rubberized texture, and not sugar glass like the other ones. Hand props are going to be mainly seen in a lot of action movies and stuff. You might know it more as like Thor's hammer or Spider-Man's webs and a lot of different things like that. And then costume props are mainly going to be your hats, your gloves, or like purses. Now let's go into the benefits of society, self and society. One main benefit to this is that it doesn't hurt as much as a real brick, most likely. Another good benefit is that it can entertain people because some of your favorite TV shows and stuff, it wouldn't be possible unless they had different types of props and stuff to make it interesting. One other one is that it's easy to make, and it can, if you're looking for something to do, then you can just go ahead and make something for somebody else or something like that. Now let's pipe out and go into what we talked about today. We talked about the materials needed to make your fake brick and the steps to do it, the 3 different types of prop and what they do, and then we talked about the benefits to self and society. And action. Thank you.